Welcome back to GlobeTeller, your destination for exploring the world's most gripping stories. Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic world of the deadliest viruses, those that have shaped human history and continue to challenge medicine, science, and our collective resilience. Viruses, neither fully alive nor inanimate, they carry genetic material, DNA or RNA, within a protein envelope, sometimes wrapped in fat. They can't reproduce or metabolize without hijacking a host's cells. Once they infiltrate, they commandeer cell machinery, replicate, and often destroy their host, whether it's respiratory nerve or blood cells. Their rapid mutation rates help them dodge immunity and leap across species. But what makes a virus truly deadly? First, there's the case fatality rate, the percentage of infected people who die. Then there's the total death toll, which considers how many people a virus has killed overall. Finally comes infectiousness, how effectively the virus spreads. Some kill almost every victim but rarely spread. Others kill fewer per case but infect millions. Rabies is one of the most terrifying viruses on Earth. Annually, it kills around 70,000 people, mostly children in rural Asia and Africa, primarily through dog bites, though bats and wildlife can also transmit it. After a bite, rabies travels silently along nerves to the brain, causing symptoms like anxiety, paralysis, hallucinations, and hydrophobia, fear of water. Once symptoms surface, survival is nearly impossible. Yet, there's hope. Rabies is 100% preventable if treated promptly with wound care, immunoglobulin shots, and a short vaccine series, an early achievement of modern medicine. CDC, Centers for Disease Control, supports mass dog vaccination, over 40 million per year in the US, and wildlife oral vaccines to curtail rabies before human exposure. But in low-income countries, limited access to vaccines and care keeps mortality high. Next, the feared Ebola virus, the hemorrhagic fever agent first identified in 1976 near the Ebola River in Congo. Ebola spreads through direct contact with infected bodily fluids, and some outbreaks have seen fatality rates of up to 90%. The 2014-2016 West African epidemic infected 28,000 people and killed over 11,000, revealing critical weaknesses in global response. Symptoms begin with fever and muscle pain, progressing to vomiting, diarrhea, rash, and sometimes internal bleeding. Experimental vaccines like RVSV-ZBOV have significantly improved outbreak control, bringing hope to regions still facing flare-ups. Marburg virus, a deadly relative of Ebola, causes similar hemorrhagic fever with even higher lethality. The 2024 outbreak in Rwanda caused 66 cases and 15 deaths, while the Tanzania outbreak early 2025 had 10 cases, all fatal. The virus originates from fruit bats and spreads through body fluids. There are no approved treatments or vaccines yet, but early diagnosis and supportive care, fluids, electrolytes, blood products, can improve survival. World Health Organization and CDC support surveillance and response protocols to keep future outbreaks contained. Force systems amidst shifting aid landscapes. unprecedented reach. Over 6 million confirmed deaths worldwide. Its impact continues across healthcare, economies, and society. So how do these deadly viruses kill? By cell destruction. Rabies eats away at nerve cells. HIV erodes immune defenses. Immune overreaction. Ebola, Marburg, and COVID-19 can trigger cytokine storms, self-inflicted body damage. Organ collapse. Multi-organ failure is common in hemorrhagic fevers and opportunistic infections. Following immune collapse, secondary pathogens can finish the job. But we fight back with science, speed, and solidarity. Vaccines nearly wiped out smallpox and control diseases like polio and measles. Rabies vaccines save tens of thousands annually. Ebola's vaccine stops outbreaks. HIV treatment saves millions. Researchers are developing mRNA vaccines, gene editing therapies, and universal antivirals, all tools for the next pandemic. And yet, in a world invisible to the naked eye, these tiny killers remind us how fragile life truly is, and how vital our shared fight against them remains. Thanks for watching GlobeTeller. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future explorations. Which virus or health mystery should we cover next?